How to fix can't be displayed on Telegram. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So the first method is open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon. Now, now type Telegram and click on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Telegram and make sure to update to the latest version. Now the next method is go back to the home screen and open up any web browser on a device. Now tap on the search bar. Now type Telegram web. Now click on search. Now open up the first website. Now sign in into your account. Now once you sign in, tap on three lines at the top left corner and go to settings. Now scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Again scroll down. Now simply enable the toggle for disable filtering. I hope this will fix your issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.